58SSB120 BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing. Why? Alright, carrier. She's an oldie. She's an oldie. Anyway, the double shafted blow motor shot.
No,
Alright. So, I got a new motor right here. And he's on the phone as always. What did I tell you?
Alright. I gotta go.
Alright, I dropped that. We got white. What the hell does this want to come out? White. Black. White, black, red. White, black, red. Okay. And this set right here. I'm gonna tie this up here and pull these out. Looks like these two screws, actually no, that one, those two, 4 screws hold this whole thing together. All right, all screws are gone. Yeah, right. How did I know this wasn't gonna come out easily? Are they individualized? No, they're not, because they're connected. It's gotta slide out all at once. Make yourself useful. Oh, Jesus Christ. Are you kidding me? Oh, man. You see this? How retarded is that?
What does it look?
This is blocking that from coming out.
Oh, yeah, that's retarded.
Oh, man. Alright, now she's out. It's kind of stupid. I have to disconnect the BX, take out the 2 screws, and of course there's a screw right there on the other side of the flange on the return plenum, holding in the filter. But now I can slide the whole thing out. And this is going to take a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. Alright, I took the first retaining screw out, and I'm going to use scratchy paper to sand down the shaft. Why? So it'll slide out easy. All the rust on there is not going to want to slide out easy, and it's going to be impossible to take out. Know what I mean? Hold and record. We're going to try to separate these two, right? So look at that.
That is disgusting.
It is. It really is. Wow. It was her time to go. All right. All right. We need to get a couple things from the truck. All right. Thank you, Kev, for this little mini adjustable. Come on, baby. Okay. I'm gonna take out this retaining screw, put that there with the other one. We're gonna take the scratchy paper. Where the scratchy paper?
What the hell is that, an animal?
Where?
Somebody's screwdriver? Somebody's screwdriver, that thing?
Oh, it's dirt. Where's the scratchy paper?
Scratchy.
I was using it to clean up the shaft. Oh, there it is. All right. Just gonna clean that up. Helps us get her out. All right. And then I'm gonna take some WD-40, spray some in there a little bit as well. Right like that.
What is it? It's acid?
It's a lube.
Lube.
It's a lube. You gotta lick it before you stick it. All right. So now there should be some play in this. Let's see. She moves around a little bit. Okay. Come on, you make it seem like this is hard. I get it's your first day, so I'll give you the learning curve. But tomorrow you're gonna be more involved. Copy? All right, there's a new motor. There's the old mounting feet. You want to pick up that phone call, don't you? What are you doing?
Right.
Oh my God.
Hi, I'm good. All right, my bad. I'm gonna send them in right away.
Delay a game. We have to wait for him to get off the phone before we can resume. You know what I'm gonna do tomorrow?
Okay.
Tomorrow he's gonna leave his truck, his phone, at the shop.
Thank you.
That's what he's gonna do tomorrow.
All right, thank you. Bye. It's fucking why you.
Do you know what we're doing tomorrow?
What?
You're gonna leave your phone at the shop.
No. Bring an extra phone.
You need to come and help. What are you doing? Come here. Hold the phone. Do something. Make yourself productive. But you know I'm trying to feed the people, and you're sitting here yapping on the phone. And you're laughing about it too. Like, oh, yeah, that's cool. You know. Wait until I tell Carrie. I am gonna call Carrie up, and I'm gonna say, you gotta watch this.
Oh no.
She's gonna be like, well, then fire his ass.
Yeah.
That's what she's probably gonna say.
It's true.
All right. Let's put this back up there. All right. There's that one. There's that one. They all need to go there. Give it a little bit extra on there. Oh, she wants to move on me. She wants to move on me. So, over here, Nipix. She's all good all the way around. This one looks... This one looks a little higher than the rest. Okay. That goes there, 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 there. All right, let's tighten this up a little bit more. Okay. Now, they're all solid. Okay. Let's make sure the blower wheel is nice and clean. She's good. You know what this is called, by the way?
What, the thing you're putting in there?
Yeah.
No.
This is a blower motor.
A blower motor?
Blower motor.
No way.
What?
No way.
Guess why? Would I lie to you?
Actually?
Yeah. You're laughing. No, really? Guess what? You think I'm messing with you? What do I look like? A messer?
Oh.
All right. Let's put that over there. Let's stick you in there. Like that. You know what the worst part about doing this? Imagine putting this all together, sliding it in the hole, and then realizing I didn't put the retaining screws in.
Where do those go?
I'll show you. You weren't paying attention because you were more interested on being on your phone.
I wasn't interested on being on it.
What?
I wasn't interested on being on it. I just had to.
All right. Let's take. I just recently changed the capacitor, so I know this is good. So let's take the 2 wires for our capacitor and stick that right there. Okay, like that. We have a ground wire right here. So let me, where's the piece? Where's that long 1/4 inch and 5/16? There it is. Let's take out this and put you in there. Okay. You with me so far?
There's a screw over there, almost under the thing.
Where? Oh, that one? That's for the other parts. All right, now I'm gonna carefully spin this over. All right, and now you're gonna know where that retaining screw went. Right? If you look here, come close. See, there's a slice in the shaft right here. You see that? It's not totally round. You see how the shaft is not completely round? There's a cutout right there. Yes or no?
Me?
Yes, yeah. You. Okay, and there's a little hole right there in the hub.
Yeah.
All right, that gets the set screw right there, right? And when we tighten this up, we want to set this kind of like in the center. All right, and I'm going to take my small adjustable crescent wrench, courtesy of Kev. Kev, yeah. If you're a hardcore subscriber, you'll know who Kev is.
An OG subscriber.
Kev is a guy, in case you don't know, is a guy who left that at a job next to service ports that were not covered. And he left that tool in there. And I promptly took it.
Good.
Copy?
Copy. Where should I put this?
You can hold on to that. All right. You focusing on this? All right. Very good. Next, we're going to take the other part, other half, and get it on there. Be a good cameraman. That should be your focus. Okay. She's not terrible, but she's not great either. Nonetheless. I don't like this like that. I'm gonna have to get some zip ties there. I don't like it rubbing against that. I'm gonna put some zip ties right there. Let's see, do I have something in here? Yes, I got one zip tie. Look at this. Perfect. I'm gonna take that one zip tie and tie that right there. Only because I want to keep the wires away from that. Capiche? Okay. Now, this is like the exact opposite from the other side. Right? So I'm going to try to line this up. Okay. Before I secure that, I am going to put the screws back in here. Remember we took these screws out before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's a screw hole right there. Okay. There's other screws there as well. Okay, here's another right there. Now on the opposite side. Here, screw. And one more. Need one more screw.
It's on the top over here? There's more up there.
No, that's the retaining screw. That goes for that attaches the blower wheel to the motor. Okay, so here's this. Same principle as the other side. She doesn't want to cooperate with me right now. She's not being cooperative. There we go, right there. Screw goes into the hub. And then I'm gonna take Kev's little wrench. Where's Kev's wrench?
Over here.
Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. All right, right there. And tightened up the retaining screw into the hub. And this retaining screw holds the blower wheel to the motor. Good?
Good.
Okay, now we have to start that bad boy back in there.
Oh my god.
All right? All right. You're gonna push up on this, get that out of the way. I'm gonna try to slide this back in there. Huh?
Does this stuff go down yet or not? Should I hold it up?
Hold that, yeah. Hold it like your life depends on it. All right, we slid her back in. I gotta make those connections, the wiring connections to that. No, that's to the control board, which is that. All right, let me put these 4 screws back in. All right, respliced my line voltage coming in with a couple Wagos. You guys know I love my Wagos. They're excellent. Now we're gonna put this plate back on there. Hey, let me hold the phone. Put it through for something. Might as well make it do something, right?
Yeah. I need a chair, like an official filming chair.
I need a chair. I better give you a nice swift kick in the ass. All right, now I have these wires next.
All right. There's more?
Yes, there's more. All right, white and red. We're going to be using these wires right here, and they're not going to be compatible. Let's get that box. Give me that box. That box. No, the box. The box came in. All right, new motor's in. Everything's wired up. Let's turn the breaker back on and fire up. Only you. Voila. Did you hear it working? It was not working before. It was humming. All right. Let's put the covers on, fill out the invoice, and get paid.